In this Knit Minute, we're going to talk about make one stitches. Over here on the left, I've done a line of left leaning make one stitches. You can see it's a pretty invisible increase. And here on the right, I've deliberately messed these up for make one stitches, and I didn't include the twist on them. It looks pretty cool, but if you're trying to get an invisible increase, you probably don't want a line of holes in your work. So we're going to talk about that twist. I have myself to a spot where I want to work a make one. I'm going to pick up the strand between the two stitches, and for a make one left, I'm going to put my needle in front to back, my left needle, and then I'm going to knit that stitch through the back loop to put the twist on it. For make one right, I'm going to pick up the strand, put my needle in back to front, and knit that stitch through the front loop like normal. And that provides the twist. Remember, you can always search my YouTube channel for slow motion versions of these techniques.